Hey guys, it's Due Diligence Daily, back at you with the news, and I have been doing my due diligence. So, what I really want to talk to you guys about today, actually, is I want to give people a better understanding of what's really going on with this XRP case, like where it started, what's been going on, and where it looks like we're heading. So, a lot of people I feel like don't really know the actual information behind the case with XRP, this whole Ripple lawsuit. So, just to break it down for you guys, the Ripple lawsuit is a legal battle between the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, right? SEC and Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP cryptocurrency. The SEC filed the lawsuit against Ripple Labs and two of its executives, CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen, on December 22nd, 2020. The main contention of the lawsuit revolves around whether XRP should be classified as a security under US law and if Ripple Labs and its executive violated securities law by selling XRP without registering it as such, right? The SEC's lawsuit alleges that Ripple Labs, Garlinghouse, and Larsen raised over 1.3 billion through the sale of XRP in an unregistered securities offering. According to the SEC, XRP should be treated as an investment contract under the Howey test, which is used to determine whether a financial instrument is considered a security. The agency claims that investors who purchased XRP expected to profit from the efforts of Ripple Labs and its executives, who have been promoting the adoption of XRP and the growth of its ecosystem. Ripple Labs, on the other hand, argues that XRP is not a security, but a digital currency. The company asserts that XRP is fundamentally different from traditional securities as it is used as a medium of exchange and has a utility value within the Ripple payment system. Ripple also contends that the SEC's lawsuit is arbitrary and inconsistent as other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have not been classified as securities, despite having similar features and use cases. The XRP lawsuit has drawn significant attention from the cryptocurrency community and regulators worldwide, as it could have far-reaching implications for the regulatory treatment of cryptocurrencies. If the SEC prevails in the lawsuit, Ripple Labs may be required to register XRP as a security, which could result in extensive reporting requirements, investors' protections, and potential penalties for past violations. The outcome could also set a precedent for future enforcement actions against other cryptocurrency projects that have issued tokens without registering them as securities. Throughout the course of the lawsuit, several important developments have occurred. In April 2021, Ripple Labs won a discovery ruling that required the SEC to produce internal documents regarding its deliberations on the classification of XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. The defense hoped that these documents would demonstrate the SEC's inconsistent treatment of cryptocurrency and bolster their argument that XRP should not be considered a security. In June 2021, the SEC was granted access to Ripple Labs' internal communications regarding legal advice the company had received about the potential classification of XRP as a security. The SEC sought to use these communications to establish that Ripple Labs was aware of the risk of XRP being deemed a security, but proceeded with the sale anyway. As of September 2021, the lawsuit was still ongoing with no clear indication of how it would be resolved. The outcome of the case could have a significant impact on the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies in the United States and influence how other currencies and other countries approach the classification and regulation of digital assets. Please note that this information is from before, right? It's from the past. Obviously, there's more updated information now with the news sources, but this was just to kind of give you guys like a gist of what exactly this whole lawsuit is about and why it's such a big deal, right? Today, what I have for you guys is this is the XRP chart. As you can see here, we're still within this structure, right? You guys can see. We've been trying to break out. right? This has been going on for, yeah, yeah. We started creating that downtrend right around May 2022, and we had bottomed out, came down here, and we started trading in the sideways channel for quite some time now, from 2022, 2023. Let's see if we have any updated news. XRP community reacts to Security Clarity Act. BTC prints golden cross. SHIB large transaction volume exceeds 1.6 trillion. SHIB cryptocurrency news digest by you today. So, just a quick note, guys. If you do like the information I provide, if you want to see more videos on XRP, if you want more information on how to trade XRP, then please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I do have a Patreon. The Patreon is new, but I'm working on putting it all together to give exclusive information on there, and my crypto picks or trading plan or even investing advice based on my thoughts, right? Like, it's not financial advice. It's simply my outlook on the markets. All right, back to the article. XRP community reacts to bill clarifying regulatory classification of digital assets. So this is an updated article on what's going on now. On May 18, pro-crypto Congressman Tom Emmer introduced the Securities Clarity Act with U.S. Representative Darren Soto. According to Emmer's tweet, the bill clarifies the regulatory classification of digital assets, provides market certainty for investors, for innovators, and gives clear jurisdictional boundaries for regulators. This caught the attention of the XRP community, with its most prominent members such as lawyers Jeremy Hogan and John Deaton, my apologies, sharing their opinions on the matter. Hogan called the act XRP holder protecting Coinbase and Binance relieving crypto startup protecting U.S. Pro-innovation Hinman speech codifying stick it to the SEC Act, implying its importance for various sorts of crypto market participants. Deaton in turn quoted the opinion of Digital Chamber founder and CEO Perry Boring, who described the Securities Clarity Act as silver bullet legislation for digital assets if passed. So it's a big thing. Everybody wants clarity. To me, I think they're just trying to figure out ways to still have control over everything. As you know it, they don't like not having control. So it's really interesting to see how this all unfolds. I personally think the technology is amazing. Ripple's technology with XRP and the XRP ledger is honestly amazing. Am I a fan that they want to have control? Not Ripple, but the Who's, you know? They want to have control of everything and kind of have us in a place where we don't have many choices, right? But this is why it's good to do your due diligence and learn things and expand your mind and try to change with the times. Get involved in an area that's unsaturated before it becomes saturated, right? So just a quick chop up, but not going to go through the full article. If you want, you can check it out. It's on u.today for some more information. Then they're kind of talking about SHIB at the bottom here. But yeah, so we'll go back to the chart quickly and just have a look. I think right now this is a daily, and this is what XRP's been doing. If you watch my previous video, I did say there's rejection at the top here. This could just be a pullback. We're going to retest, right? We can get a continuation to the upside and finally break out of this overall structure. But time will tell. Time will tell. I think we're waiting for that next piece of news, that next important piece of information to be released. So stay tuned. And yeah, peace.